how to set up power efficiency and performance mode in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can set up power performance and efficiency mode in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, in your Windows 11 you have to open up settings from your start menu, or you can simply search from the search bar, and in the search bar search for settings. Now once you land in the settings page, now from here go to system from the left hand side from this menu section. Click on settings. Now under settings you will get bunch of options. From there go to power and battery. Now under this power and battery section, under power there is a second option that says power mode, and by default this balanced option will be chosen. If you click on it, a drop-down box will pop up with three options. At the first, there is best power efficiency. If you choose on it, your battery performance will be saved, but it's gonna affect your performance in your Windows 11. Even though it will save your battery, but your performance level in your Windows 11 will be reduced. And just below that, there is balance, which will basically balance your battery and your performance in your Windows 11. Now if you like to choose the best performance, you can choose that will increase the performance level of your Windows 11, but definitely it will consume a lot of battery. So with that on your mind, you can choose the one according to your preferences. So this is the way to set up power efficiency mode in Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.